folks. Do you want to learn how hackers hack into desktop applications like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Slack, etc., but ethically? We are launching our brand new cybersecurity certification, which is Certified Exploit Development Professional. Before the launch, let me give you some highlights about our new drop. So this course is perfect for beginners. You will be exploiting vulnerable desktop applications. And finally, it's ideal for anyone looking to kickstart their journey into exploit development. Wait, there's more. If you are interested in this particular course, join us for our launch webinar event, which is based on this one, that is how mitigations work against stack-based overflow. So the date is 28 June 2024 and the timing is 7 to 8 p.m. IST. If you attend the webinar, you will get a chance to win 50% off on the newly launched course. Plus, you will definitely get the attendance certificate. So stay tuned and follow CyberWarFare Labs.